तो कहानी की शुरुआत ऐसे है कि एक बच्चा मॉल के बाहर खड़ा होता है और वहां पर एक बहुत बड़ी लंबी आलीशान कार आके रुकती है। बच्चा उसे देख के बहुत इंप्रेस हो जाता है और उसके पास जाता है, उसे टच करता है और उसे देखता रहता है। तब वो कार के मालिक के पास जाता है और बोलता है कि सर, क्या ये कार आपकी है? मालिक बड़ी शान से बोलता है, हाँ, ये कार मेरी है और मेरे भाई ने गिफ्ट की है। बच्चा कुछ सोच में पड़ जाता है। कार का मालिक कहता है, मुझे मालूम है तुम क्या सोच रहे हो। तुम यही सोच रहे हो ना, तुम ये कार एक ना एक दिन खरीदोगे। तो बच्चा एक बहुत प्यारी और एक अच्छी है, वो बोलता है, नहीं, मैं ये नहीं सोच रहा कि मैं ये कार बड़े होके खरीदूंगा। मैं ये सोच रहा हूँ कि काश मैं आपके भाई की तरह बन पाऊं। तो ये मॉरल स्टोरी ये है कि जेब से तो हम सब बड़े हो सके, पर दिल बड़े होना बहुत बड़ी बात है। थैंक यू।
बहुत अच्छी, वेरी गुड। And above all, your pink shirt is very good.
सर, आज रोट्रैक्टर्स आए हुए हैं तो थोड़ा यूथ के लिए हमने कहा कि सर आप तरह मैंने
Very good. It goes with the color of Basant.
थैंक यू सर।
Thank you, Director Club Service, Rotarian Nitin, and thank you, Professor Dua, for noticing the colors, and you yourself are in a very colorful T-shirt.
England has won the toss.
दुआ साहब तो वैसे ही कलरफुल हैं।
England won the toss. Oh, they won the match also. Won the toss, they won the match.
I always
no,
this have to be true, but not here.
So it is not just the Director Club Services who is in a youthful color. I see when several of you, especially Professor Dua, who's the Joint Secretary, who's also in it's the pink of health and the pink of colors, and from whatever I can make out. So we are in the week where we celebrate the activities and of Rotractors. It is the World Rotract Week, and Rotractors are seen as future Rotarians, and over the past few years, especially Rotary International has been trying to align Rotractors with Rotary by opening up avenues and their ways of membership into Rotary. This falls every year in the week which has the 13th of March, and I'm sure the purpose is always to bring into focus all the good work that Rotractors all over the world have been doing. And it is indeed, Rotarians of Chandigarh Midtown are very fortunate to have such a strong force with them. And this obviously has been set up over the years by the past presidents, the directors, youth service in their respective years, who have invested their time, their energy in hand-holding the Rotractors and ensuring that they feel comfortable and they share the same vision as Rotary as an international body has, and we as a club have. So this evening we would be having presentations and interactions with them, and I would leave the floor open after they've done their presentations for members who might wish to give their inputs or even ask questions, because I see that would only strengthen the Rotractors more and give them more enhanced opinion and light of view in terms of how they can still do better. I did get a call from past President Harish Sethi, who had to make an announcement, but I'm not sure whether he has joined yet. So I would keep that for a little later. Yeah, he's not joined. So I would now like to invite our Director, Youth Service, Rotary Kulveer Bhatia, to kindly take this meeting forward and introduce the Rotract clubs turn by turn.
President Sanjay ji, Secretary Shuchi ji, all the dignitaries present, Rotarians, Rotractors, guests, friends, a very good evening to all of you.
Good evening.
Today we are celebrating the Rotract Week. Rotractors, our Rotractors are full of energy, full of new ideas, a passion to contribute towards society in any way. महात्मा गांधी जी ने एक बार कहा था कि the best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others. And it gives me immense pleasure when I share with you all that our Rotractors have lived these the wordings by their actions in the past, these months. In the pandemic, in such a COVID era where there was so much of panic, the whole world, the life came to standstill. There were lockdowns, restrictions, everything was there which was stopping the life to go ahead. Our Rotractors still could find one way or the other way to contribute towards the community and do the activities which they could have. They never stop actually. Almost every day, I was getting the messages. They were sharing with me their activities. In those times also, almost every day there was some activity or the other planned by the Rotractors. Whether if it was not physical, then it was virtual. They have organized the events, their club activities. They have participated in the
मीटिंग चल रही है
and
कल देख लेंगे.
even they have participated and with the joint projects as well. So it is been rightly said that in age we understand many things, but in youth we learn. And their performance in the past months validates the statement that in youth we can learn, we can find ways, how to move ahead in the life, even in the unfavorable situations. And for our Rotractors, I would just like to, say few things that good habits formed at youth makes all the difference. Therefore, let's not only, sustain the good work you all are doing, but also let's keep beating our past best. And it gives me immense pleasure and feeling of proud when I introduce to all of you our star Rotractors for their presentation, specifically the Rotract of Chandigarh Midtown and our Samaritans who have, left no stone unturned to do the activities in the past. So regarding the flow of the presentation, the first presentation shall be from Rotract of Chandigarh Midtown, followed by RC Samaritans and followed by RC Vidya Jyoti. So I first invite Rotract Club Chandigarh Midtown for their presentation. Himani?
Yes, I'm continuing. Is so privileged to present the annual journal report of Rotract Club Chandigarh Midtown. I feel pleased to announce that your club has completed 260 plus project in this tenure 2020 to 21. We've collaborated with 100 plus clubs. We have served 1,200 meals and provided clothes to 1,000 plus people with sanitary napkins to 1,500 plus women till date. This was our installation. We've been awarded the Outstanding Club Citation and Platinum Distinction in the last tenure. In the monthly project, I want you to share one thing that we chose 3 major projects जो कि हमने अब तक continue करे हैं. हर month ये 3 projects हमारे चले हैं with sales, the monthly plantation drive, the monthly food donation drive, and the monthly sanitary napkin donation drive. Special thanks to Rotarian Rita Kalida ma'am for always helping us throughout our sanitary napkin donation drive. We've been allotted the vision of month by district, and these are the visions of month which district provided us. And according to those visions, we have done these many projects. I hope you can see in the screen. Switching to the venues. Under the ISD, we have 3 twin sister agreements. We have exchanged letterheads with 20 plus clubs. We have one cultural exchange kit, which was such an amazing gesture. Under the community services, we have done various projects. These are a few projects which I would like to highlight here. Under the club services, again, the whole list is provided due to shortage of time, not able to, speak all of them, but I will surely provide you all the presentations. Yeah, these were the projects which we did under club services. Under the vocational services too, we have a lot of projects. Here's a glimpse. Under the CLCC, which is the most important department of our club, I want you all to pay attention that we have covered topics like men's sexual health, fundamental rights, which I feel everyone should know about, child sexual abuse, and online crime regarding the children. Here's the glimpse of the webinars and other activities. Then comes the RCCM campaigns, my most favorite thing. I want to tell you about the campaign. What in our campaigns are, we have chosen one project और उस प्रोजेक्ट के अंडर हमने 5 to 10 प्रोजेक्ट्स करे हैं. अब आगे जितने भी प्रोजेक्ट्स हमारे आएंगे उसमें एक प्रोजेक्ट है वो, बट हमने उसके अंडर 10 या 5 या 7 प्रोजेक्ट्स कंप्लीट करे हैं. This is the Annapurna Saptaha. Our tenure started with it, and this project was allotted to us by the district. It was a 7-day event, जिसमें हमने 7 days 7 different tasks करे हैं. The next come the Pink campaign, which is basically the breastfeeding week awareness drive. I feel pleased to tell you all that in this campaign, all the clubs, like we had more than 20 plus club people from abroad joined us, from Sri Lanka, from Mauritius, and I used to give task to everyone, and हर city में, हर country में वो चीजें होती थी. These were the few tasks under the breastfeeding week. 7 tasks हमने इसमें करे हैं. Here's the list, here's the poster. Then comes Rakhi project. We completed 7 different projects in Rakhi, जिसमें हमने पुलिसमैन को राखी बांधने से लेके प्लांटेशन राखी वाले से लेके we have provided employment to the people. जिनसे हमने राखी बनवाई, उनकी राखी हमने आगे सेल करी. Again, on the occasion of Gandhi Jayanti, we completed 3 different projects promoting the Gandhiji's quote, "Bura na dekho, bura na bolo, bura na suno." And on the Teachers' Day campaign, we completed 4 different projects. Has Women's Equality Day, being a woman, being a president, again my personal favorite, and here are 4 different activities which we covered under Women Equality campaign. Diwali, always a favorite festival of Indian. Various things we did various things on the Diwali. We went to Qatar Asra. We had a very beautiful time with the kids. Plantation drive bhi hui hai. Fashion Diwali online campaign. And a few online projects too. Here's the list. Then comes the Secret Santa, which is an annual project of RCCM. 10 दिन हमारे projects चले हैं Secret Santa के under. Every day a different task used to be allotted to the road tractors. Team used to go to slum areas and other places, and we all used to do projects. Here the list of 10 different activities which we covered under Secret Santa project. Now comes the Lodi celebration. We went to Kartar Asra. There were a lot of old aged people and kids. And here we even did an activity. We wrote the things which we want to burn from ourselves on a page, and we burned them. And this was an activity which was organized for the club members. Next come Project Khayal. It was an initiative of District 301 Delhi. And they allotted us 10 tasks for 10 days. I feel pleased to announce that RCCM got the first prize here, and our road tractors paid the maximum contribution in completing all the tasks. Next come Project Parva, a task of my General Secretary, a very close project to her. We organized this, and more than 250 entries we got in this project. We had organized 5 different tasks for 5 different days, and each task has 150 plus entries, and overall the rating of entries is 300 in Project Parva. One of my favorite again, International Women's Day. We organized, this is a recent one. We organized 5 different activities. One is the sanitary pad donation drive in Blind Schools 26, the Fest Womania, amazing initiative by our Rotary, and of course, one of our club, Rotaract Samaritan. I congratulate you all to, end up with such an amazing project. RCCM played a vital role on the last day of this project by organizing funds for the Fest Womania. On the day of women, on the Women's Day, we even donated hygienic kits to the people of slum area, to all the girls. And there was a seminar in Vidya Jyoti University. They invited me as a guest of honor, and I delivered a motivational speech over there. The next comes a few main projects which I want you all to see. Track week, which is from 8th to 14th March, a very, very important week. I feel pleased to tell you all that from 8 to 14, we are organizing 5 events each day. This is the list of 8th March, in which we organized 5 events, from education to awareness to animals to food to self-defense. This was a list of 8th March. In the second collage, has a list of 9th March. And I'm really sorry, I'm not able to provide the list of 11th and 10th March. वो मैं जल्दी आपको provide कर दूंगी. But 5 tasks for each day in the Rotaract week. Being a Rotaractor, it's very important for us to celebrate the Rotaract week. Next come Awaze Hind and Alfaz, an online campaign in which we raised fund around 3,000 plus, and all the fund was donated in charity. It was donated for the food distribution and sanitary napkin distribution drive. It was an amazing event. Kulbir sir even joined, Sanjay sir even joined on this event, and it was a beautiful success. Next comes the Porters Drive. The only project of RCCM, which is my personal favorite. We went to a place in 25 sector and we met this family. We learned how to make diyas. We even helped them. We discussed about their hardships. We made a whole documentary. It will be my pleasure to share the documentary with you all. After the meeting, I'll surely provide you the link. बहुत अच्छा experience था. By putting us in their shoes was a totally different thing, and we experienced that. The next comes awareness drive. On 26 January, the main awareness topic was rights to education, right to equality, right to the freedom of religion, and 5 other rights were covered by the Rotaractors, and we all spoke on that. A proper videography was done. Awakening was a event where I was invited in Sector 15's DAV's Government Model School. I gave a speech there on qualities for a youth. Then comes the painting drive. I remember I went to a place with my mom, and I was so happy by seeing the struggle, which, not the struggle, by seeing their work. I requested them to allow us to spend an hour with them, and they gave us the permission. I took my whole team the very next day, and we all, had an amazing time there. We painted their statues, and we even ate together, had a beautiful time with those people. So it was our painting drive. The next come blood donation camp. It was a collaboration event, and I donated blood for the 3rd time over there. It was a little scary though, and we were able to raise blood bottles from 80 plus people. Next comes self-defense. The most important thing, and I believe that's a need of hour now. It was a whole drive of 3 to 4 days. It was conducted. The first day was conducted in Sector 15 Model School, Government Model School. The next was conducted in 25 sector next to Jagatpura. Has the glimpse. One of the Rotaractor of Vidya Jyoti University, Rupak, helped us a lot in completion of this project. The next come Radio Vada. Radio Vada is basically a medium by which we'll be sharing a few videos regarding the current issues. I remember there was a rape case, and we all highlighted that through our online awareness campaign. IDY 2020, thank you so much to our district for letting us meet the beautiful Rotaractors of 3012 district. Till now, I'm in touch with them. It was a beautiful day. We had a lot of fun, and a letterhead was exchanged with them. Upcycling plastic. We all know how harmful plastic is, and your Rotaractors, ladies and gentlemen, are really, really creative. Here's what we did from that plastic bottles. The next is important webinars. We have done various webinars, but these are the best ones. Best as in the topic of this webinar was the need of an hour, and we are able to gather the crowd of 200 plus in each webinar on these specific topics. The next comes the donation drives of RCCM, which includes clothes donation. We have done at various places. I don't even remember now kitne places pe humne clothes donate kare. Till now, I have a bundle of clothes at my place, and I have to go for a donation drive. The mask donation, shoes donation, toys donation, blanket donation, and the stationery donation drive. The next come day-wise projects. Usually we see कि आज ये दिन है, आज वो दिन है. Ladies and gentlemen, your Rotaractors never want to sit idle. We even made the use of those days, and here we are with our day-wise projects. For example, on the Hiroshima and Nagasaki Day, we organized turncoat and poetry slam. We even celebrated World Nature's Conservation Day, Paper World Bag Day, Mango Day. हमने उसको भी नहीं छोड़ा, and we utilized that and made dishes at our places. Again, the same thing, World Humanitarian Day, National Sports Day, and similarly, there are other days which we celebrated. Here comes the list of webinars. 45 plus webinars were conducted, and special thanks to Salil Chopra sir and Nitin sir for being the mentor and always standing with us in the webinars, for providing us the knowledge in their own area of expertise. And here are the list. I have highlighted a few webinars which are important hai. You can even go through them. Tobacco hai, equity and asset hai, productivity dilemma. These were the बहुत अच्छे वाले जिसपे हमने topics choose करे थे. Here's the glimpse of all the posters. The next come online awareness drive. As I've said before, your road tractors never want to sit idle. We have conducted online awareness drive by our social media platform from Facebook and Instagram. It is a glimpse of a few projects which we did under that. Here are the competitions: logo making, doodle art, debate competition, photography, Zentangle art. Various competitions were organized, and we did have a lot of winners, and we enjoyed it a lot. Various quizzes which was organized by RCCM. Some very unique projects which include, I can't zoom this slide, but I'll be glad if you can see this, how we have converted the sanitizer bottles here. Beautiful conversion by our road tractors, beautiful mask made by our road tractors, beautiful Ganeshas made by our road tractors, and we segregated the dry and wet waste at our homes. The next comes our relationship with our Rotary. I always tried my level best to be present in all the projects जिसमें Rotary ने हमें invite करा है. Here's a glimpse. Special thanks to our Rotarians Sanjay Bhatia sir, Kulbir sir, Nitin sir, Rita Khaleda ma'am, Renu ma'am, Salil Chopra sir, Shuchi ma'am, and the list is really long. I thoda space नहीं था, I couldn't fit in all the names. But I am so happy to be such a nice Rotary. You guys helped us in every step. It was like we were taking baby steps, and you providing us motivation, timely motivation. I must say, I was in touch with you day one, and every time you just pushed me that no, Himani, you can do it. Nitin sir, I have less words to share when it comes to you. Every time you were like, no, Himani, you can do it, and that words of yours has helped me in presenting these 250 plus projects for this. I'm not able to present all, but I tried my level best. A few webinars via Rotarians. Now comes my team, my asset, my backbone, the petrol of my car, to be precise. We are I am nothing without you people. My road tractors are my real strength, and here we are at almost end of the end of the tenure, and everything is possible because I want to highlight this fact that we all are in different cities. It was very tough for us to gather. COVID time, we all know it was, even our parents didn't allow us. Ladies and gentlemen, your road tractors didn't sit at homes. All were on the roads, all were on the slums, donating masks, donating food, trying to play a vital tractor, being the setting the ideal road tractor. Here's my team, and they have done marvelous work. A beautiful slide where we gathered the smiles of the kids, because I am so fond of kids, and this is a department where it's like I'm so attached with them. Try to capture a few moments with the kid. This is a real satisfaction, I guess. This is something which is eternal. This is something for which seems like my hard work is paid off. Their smile is very beautiful, and I just thought to share this with you all. That's all, my dear ladies and gentlemen. Again, thank you, everyone. Literally everyone. for helping me in completing these projects, for motivating me always, for being the strength, for being everything. Like we all have बहुत सारा age gap, so it's like मैं थोड़ा मतलब I'm 22 when you are you are like I'm younger from you, but I don't know, I never felt like कि मुझे सर से ये बात नहीं करनी, मैं कैसे बोलूं, कैसे करूं. I don't know what kind of relationship I have with you all people or whatever, but everything is possible because of your planning, your layout, your motivation. Sanjay sir, this is what we've done in this tenure. I hope you like all the projects, and I'm not able to present all of them, but I really wanted to, due to some time constraint, वो थोड़े रह गए हैं, and we have a list of 15 different projects which we'll be done with them till next month. I'll share those with you too, but thank you so much everyone for your presence. Like this really means a lot. You're a Protractor, I know how tough it is to time manage karna and sab kuch karna, but you guys have been the strength, and this all what I had to say in this presentation.
Excellent presentation, Himani, and superlative performance. Many congratulations to you and your team.
Thank you.
We know that you have raised the bar and you will keep doing it again and again. We have faith in you, and all the best.
Thank you so much.
Now I will invite Rotary Club Samaritan, Harshit, for his presentation.
Hello, everyone. Just confirm if I am audible.
You are audible, Harshit. Please go ahead.
Thank you so much, sir. Hello, all the Rotarians, Rotractor present here. I'm Rotractor Harshit Khosla, President of Rotary Club of Samaritans, and I'll share my slide with my fellow Rotractor, Muskan. Muskan, can you introduce yourself?
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, Muskan, you are.
Hello everyone, good evening. I am Rotractor Muskan Kamboj, Vice President of Rotary Club of Samaritan, and we'll share the presentation. Before sharing the presentation, I would like to share a small memory or whatever we call it. It is a memory like where I actually became a part of the Rotary Club. I joined Rotary 2 years back, and I joined it because of my friends, of course, my seniors, my classmates. They told me like, you should join, it's fun to be at different places, do different things. But I joined it as for company, like I'll be with friends and roam around and all. But I'll tell one thing, once we were doing a food donation, and there when a little girl in a slum area, there a little girl came and asked if we are left with any food and can I get some. So that was really touching, and that was the actual point where I was like, yes, I am a part of this and I have to continue further with all my heart. So that was that thing I haven't ever forgotten. So from there, I continue to track, and till date, it's 2 years now, and I'm very happy. So now we'll start with the presentation.
So here is our PPT. Hope you like it. So in this tenure from July, we have covered 152 events till March 12th. On the basis of avenues, we have served in community service around 104 projects, club services 51 events, vocational services 2 events, and international services 55 events. So we, from the month of July, we were I was installed, and my installation ceremony was on 24th of July, from where we started. And we had done one more event, Sabki Khushiyon Wali Rakhi, in July. This event was our event after installation, under which we gave chocolates, cakes to over 20 girls at Orphanage Guru Asra Trust. In the month of August, we covered around 18 events, and here is the list: World Breastfeeding Week, Indoor Scavenger Hunt, Youth, the Creators of Future, Organ Donation Day, Independence Day, International Left-Handers Day, Pixel Patch 1, Pixel Patch 2, and Bappa Aaye Khushiyan Laaye, Let's Upskill, Liberating Womenism, Tree Plantation Drive, Cloth Donation Drive, and further. So Youth, the Creators of Future, the main first event of our project. We organized a thoughtful webinar on International Youth Day, where chief guest was Miss Meenakshi Chaudhary, Femina Miss India, first runner-up, along with our Rotarians, VK Sharma sir, the DRCC of RID 3080, Rotarian Manmohan Singh sir, and Rotarian Salil Chopra sir. On the occasion of Liberating Womenism, we organized one more webinar, and Rotaract Club Samaritan, along with Rotaract Club Silver City Mohali, organized the webinar with the keynote speakers, Rotarian Rita Kalra ma'am, Rotaractor Sneha Shakya, the current General Secretary of CERIC MDIO, and Rotaractor Nikita Pawa, the current Director North of CERIC MDIO. In the month of September, we organized around 32 events, and the main events I'll discuss in the other slides. So for the main first event of the month of September, My Donation Connection. On the occasion of International Day of Charity, we organized My Donation Connection, a day to express and to share smiles. Phase 1 was the donation drive, and phase 2 was the express drive. So in the month of September, we launched Quotathon for it, and it was around 6-month-long project where we had a fundraiser in which we asked the donators to donate ₹1 for each day and for the 6 months. So, and as we know, we are going with the good project and the best project, like I know till date, this project Astha, that's for cervical cancer, and we collected the lump sum amount of ₹5,000, and we will donating it for the project Astha. In the month of October, we also covered 32 projects. So the first event was by the Rotary Club Chandigarh Midtown on World Polio Day. Celebrations at Danbro Sector 26, Chandigarh, and Rotaractors from Rotaract Club Samaritan also donated their bit for the world's greatest meal. So we also launched the project Dan Utsav, in which every week we donate something to the underprivileged people, and till date this project is going on. So here are the glimpses of the donations in every week. The most important and the most beloved project that I like, and it's very close to my heart, that we need to do something for the animals too. So we, the Rotaract Club of Samaritans, with collaboration with more than 20 clubs, collared around 150 plus dogs and cows all over India, so that we can protect them from the accidents that happen during nights. So we collared them with the reflective collar, and it was very cheap, and we did it for that, and this project is still going on. So in the month of November, we covered around total 18 events. So the first Diwali 2020, in which we covered around 4 events: 100 campaign, Diwali celebrations, Project Dhara, Diwali Dhamaaka. So we, with Rotaract Club of Soaring Monks Zone 2, we went for the fellowship trip, and it was trip to Kasauli, and we spent a whole day and making new memories. Muskan, please take the lead.
For the month of December, the total number of events were 11, and here's a list of the events we can see. Next slide. Harshit, next slide, please. Now, one of these events of December were Jingle and Mingle. In this, Rotaract Club Samaritan celebrated Christmas with the residents of slum area, the children there at industrial area phase 2, and there we donated dry ration and clothes to them. And the second big event was Sweet Goodbye. As the year 2020 was very difficult, what we can say, very unique and very difficult for all of us. So we did an event that is Sweet Goodbye, to say goodbye to 2020, where we distributed chocolates to kids in different slum areas. Now next, for year 2021, the first month January, and the total number of events done were 6. Here you can see the list. And our first major offline event, which was held in the Rotary House itself, that is Kuch Alfaz Desh Ke Naam. This was on the occasion of Indian Army Day, where we organized an open mic competition as a theme of Army Day or Army, and cash prizes were given to the winners. Next is Project Astha, where Rotary Club Chandigarh Midtown, in collaboration with Rotaract Club Samaritan, we launched this project to raise funds for vaccination of cervical cancer survivors. So this project is going till date even. Next was Happy Hands. This was an initiative by Rotaract District 3080, started on Republic Day, and we made handmade muffins and cards for the army officials, and all the handmade gifts were given without any expenses used on it, and these were very sweet gifts and a sweet gesture for the army people. Next, for the month of February, the total number of events were 14, and this is the list of the events. Out of these, the condom sense was one of the part of the February month. On this, on the occasion of International Condom Day. Now, it is, it becomes awkward, but it is as well as important and necessary. So on this day, Rotaract Club Samaritan, in collaboration with Rotaract Club Silver City Mohali and Robin Hood Army, conducted an awareness and donation drive in the slum area. Now for March 2021, the total number of events till date are 18. And this is the list. Where a tree plantation drive was also held along with the collaboration with Rotaract Club Silver City Mohali, where we conducted a huge tree plantation drive while planting more than 50 plants in Sector 42. Next was a recent event that is Womania. It was organized by Rotary Club Chandigarh Midtown on the occasion of International Women's Day, and Rotaractors from Rotaract Club Samaritan volunteered to be a part of the event.
So this was the list of events and briefly discussed events till date. So with the support of all the Rotarians like Rotaractor Sanjay Bhatia sir, Rotaractor Suchi ma'am, and Rotaractor Nitin Kapoor sir, and Rotaractor Salil Chopra sir, we were able to do these many projects. For the Rotaract week, we are under the same, we are going for more events. And today we we organized a blood donation camp under the Project Mahadan which is conducted by the Rotractors all over the India and the world. So this was our show. Thank you so much. And I hope you all liked it. If any queries, please, the questions are welcomed.
Wonderful presentation, Harshit. Excellent performance by you and your team. Many congratulations to you and your team as well. All the best for the coming months. Keep doing it.
Thank you so much.
And I think I could not see Nidhi joining today because she is in Delhi. I think she has to go. So maybe we may not be having the next presentation. I would just like to say, one thing that once it was been said that we can't always build the future for our youth, but we can build our youth for the future. The performance and presentation of both our, Rotractor clubs has proved it, and इससे इतना एक सुकून सा मिलता है, इतनी happiness मिलती है कि that in today's era, when एक शायर ने कहा था, उसका जो वर्ड्स है वो आज के सिनेरियो पे बड़े फिट बैठते हैं कि बस एक दुश्वार है हर काम का आसान होना, आदमी को भी मैसर नहीं इंसान होना. And today's time, it is very tough time our society is facing, and in those times our Rotractors are doing so much good work towards the community, towards the society. It gives pride, it gives feeling that our future is in safe hands. We are well directed, we are aligned, and everything will be fine for our society, our country. So a round of applause for both the clubs for doing this superlative performance. Keep doing it. And, we are always there. Anything you need, you will find us with you. With this, I will hand over the meeting now to President Sanjay sir.
Thank you, Kulveer. Before I invite President-elect Salil Chopra sir for the expression of gratitude, I'll just give a few notes that I was making. When I saw the presentation of Rotract Chandigarh Midtown through Imani, the way she presented, it looked like, we play with puzzles, and most of the slides had that. And when you start working on a puzzle, pieces are all, things are all haywire. You have to find the right pieces, put them in the right place. So the concept of how you put a puzzle together, that is the whole impression I was getting when I was hearing about the projects of her club. And that is what I think they have done. A lot of things here and there lie around and they bring things to order. So that's the impression, and that's the opinion I have on your projects. And a beautiful slide on the webinars you've had, how you fit all of them. I think there were probably 45 of them. It almost looked like, you have a food menu. Nitin would agree with me, he's quite a foodie himself, that having 45 items on one slide, it's like, take your choice, which one should we come and do for you. So wonderful thing. Coming to Samaritans, this word Samaritans always fancies me. I'll probably have to check with someone offline as to how this name came about, to Samaritans, and living up to its name, not just for human beings, but also, the project that you've done for stray dogs, stray cattle. Only last week, we had, my company had done something in Ludhiana where for safety, we had put reflectors on bicycles, shop floor workers using bicycles, so that in the night, they have certain safety. And how you have extended that concept of safety from human beings to animals. This is really wonderful. And I was also wondering for all the Rotractors, that if you also have a concept like we have a Friday meets, and you present your projects every Friday, a guest speaker will not get any time to speak. You do so much, you have to demonstrate, you have to show so much that you are doing. You don't need a guest speaker for meetings, but keep going good in the remaining months, and I'm sure you will pass on a very, very strong club to the next team waiting in line. With this, I would like to now invite your dear own and our very dear own President-elect Salil Chopra to give his thoughts and expression of gratitude.
Thank you, Rotary Sanjay Bhatia. Am I audible?
Yes, sir, very much.
Good. My dear fellow Rotaractors, once I was going through whole the scenario, and as rightly said by our president, it was looking like a menu, having 45, 35 kind of dishes getting ready on the menu card. It was really true. I have heard something. It is when a speaker speaks, their attention is 20%, 80% flies off. Here, because of the long list, long presentation, long action-packed, the working, I think attention could have been 10%, not even 20%. But it was amazing. Really, it was amazing. Example of, action-packed, action-oriented works. It's been a year of H, Himani, Harshit, and our. If you calculate the number of projects held by Rotaractors by this time, and you try to calculate the number of hours in daytime of the day, you will find they equalize. So all H together, they really done the wonders. I must congratulate them for the team working, and being a soldier kind of person. Not at all. I didn't find anybody being journal. They worked at a soldier level. Higher were the goals. So were the achievements. Ever smiling workforce. See any place, may it be any distance, they won't bother. They'll like to be present. May it be any weather, they'll be working. May it be any place, or may it be any, what I call shabby places even, you'll find them working with the shoulder to shoulder with the people there. Distance doesn't matter to them. They were working with traffic. They were working with the Gandhi principles. They were working, like a true blend of fellowship and the service to humanity. All the 5 avenues were correctly covered by them. If you find from things, 4, why 4? Because youth is with the Rotary. Though they were youth, they were not, given this youth portfolio, but being youth, they performed all 4 other avenues so well as become exemplary. In such a short time, maybe they were suffering from all the causes because the parents were restricting their movement, the college commitments were there, the examination, the webinar, whatever they were there, but they were never stopping. They were doing something directly, stealingly or indirectly, but performance was too good to really applaud by. I sincerely applaud them for the working they have done, and I'm so sure in the rest of months you will find them more active because the pandemic is getting slower and slower, and they would be working more shoulder to shoulder with the teammates as well as with the workforce in the field. I applaud them. I salute them rather for the kind of working they've shown, and I'm so sure everyone become a sincere Rotarian when their age comes. I'm looking forward for a bright future of Rotary clubs. Why? Because the smarter the Rotaractors, they will become a very handsome Rotarians someday. Thank you. Congratulations. Keep it up. And I'm so sure we'll have a very strong workforce, heading and spearing ahead along with our workforce. Thank you very much. God bless you.
Thank you, President-elect Salil. I would request if Ashok Puri sir is there. I think Harinderjeet was there, but she just left. I wanted them also because they've had a lot of experience and interactions with Rotaractors in the past. Ashok Puri sir, are you there? I do see him, but okay. Would any of the other Rotractors like to make any point before we move on to the rest of the agenda for this evening?
Am I audible?
Yes, Arundhati.
I would like to say one thing. This is Salil Chopra sir said कि हम आगे Rotarians बनेंगे. Salil Chopra sir, I've talked in my club, like almost 50% of them are willing to join our Rotary Club Chandigarh Midtown because they've seen how much our Rotarians do for us, for the society. I just wanted to add this thing. Thank you.
Thank you, Arundhati. Today our Secretary Shuchi is not present because she's been traveling, but she has also had a lot of involvement with the Rotractors, and a big thanks from her side to all who have supported her always. At the drop of a hat, we just say, if we have some difficulty in our projects, we just say, let's call the Rotractors, let's request them to do it. And they have always lived up to the occasion whenever we have needed them. And of late, I know this has been increasing, whether it's Project Asta, whether it's the mid-year review at the district, whenever we call them, they are there. So a big thanks to all of you. I would take the option to announce the birthdays and anniversaries, actually no anniversaries, birthdays for this week of Rotarians and spouses. 15th March, Rotarian J.S. Chopra celebrates his birthday, and same day we have Rotarian Sunita Rani, who's the spouse of our past president, current year treasurer, Amarjit Singh. Sunita Rani, birthday wishes to her. With this, we are almost coming to the end of the meeting. In case anyone else wants to speak something, but I think Rotractors have been keeping their time that was given to them. So thanks for that. Dr. Vora, are you there? So all the presentations, you would.
I'm there.
So your default request that the presentation should be shared with Dr. Vora. You could send him directly or send it to me. I'll share it with him. Since
I would like to inform that since they are all Rotractors, they will be more interested in going to the YouTube and seeing whatever they have said today. So I would like to inform all the Rotractors, if I get the video in time, probably by tomorrow or day after, you all would be on YouTube.
Perfect. Yeah. Okay, so we come to the end of today's
Sanjay?
meeting. Yes, are you there?
Sethi, yeah, Hari Sethi.
I didn't see your name, so sorry. You're being shown as iPhone. I was kept checking for you throughout the meeting.
Okay, no, I couldn't get through. My daughter had come, and so we were busy in our own discussion.
I'm so sorry. You had an announcement to make, but I kept searching. Yes, please. Yes, sir. You have an announcement to make.
Okay, yeah. See, my Rotary friends, President Sanjay and Salil Bali. See, this is relevant to mention about Salil Bali because he was a part of the tournament which we held in 2016, April. Now we are organizing a tournament. We proposed to organize a tournament on the 18th of April in Chandigarh Club. And I have counted already 33 people from outside Chandigarh came and played there. So I hope the same people, but we'll have more Rotarian golfers from Gujarat, and that is Salt King, Mr. Everybody knows he was there last time, and from Jamshedpur, people expected from Nagpur, from Jamshedpur, and then of course Faridabad, Delhi. So it will be about 60 people. And we are working out, now they have increased the green fee because they wanted to gain money. We had to pay the lease deed amount, which is very heavy. And so we'll have to agree to their terms for holding a tournament. The members here who are Rotarians will not be charged anything, but members who are from outside Chandigarh, but they are Rotarians, will be charged some fee, green fee, and some capitation fee because they're using our course. So that we are working out our total, I would say, registration charges will be about 2,000, 2,500. And last year we almost broke even, but the club did contribute 25,000 or something. But we'll see how it works out. And then I'll request the club to hold a board meeting and decide what they want to contribute. The members who are joining, we are about 4 or 5 members who are, Vijay Gupta is one, Sandeep Sandhu is another, and Agarwal, Daulat Agarwal is there. I'll be playing. Arjun Singh ji doesn't play. But anyway, we'll make a team from our club. Last time, a few years back, we won the tournament. Let's hope. I can't play that well now, but I'll play 9 holes like other senior citizens. So I would only request you to give support to me. I would like support of Sanjay Bhatia, Shuchi Thakur, and Salil Bali, Deepak Sood, and Rita Kalra, whosoever wants to join in to help the management of the, I would say, tournament. It's a big effort, I would say. And we have to be there in time. 7:30 it starts, and we have to be there a little early to make the list and serve tea. And then, of course, we'll finish off by lunch, 2:30 or so. That's it. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Pastor Harishji. We definitely have our support, and as you said, this would be in April, so you'll have support of both the current team, year's team, and the incoming team as well.
Yeah.
This definitely, as with other sports which are coming back, this also, I see this event as a hope towards coming back to the normal life.
I'll request Salil Chopra also to join, but I'll please request him not to shake hands of everybody. People are having COVID, and then he holds hand, he doesn't leave it. So that is his problem. He really would like
normal
to.
time में भी हम मना करते हैं उसको because वो हाथ दब जाता है. ये तो second reason में develop हो गया.
He's there.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Pastor Harishji.
Bye.
So with this, I take permission from all of you to adjourn this today's meeting. We will have this room open for about 5 to 10 minutes to people. Members can have the fellowship, interact, and we would be unmuting everyone. The meeting is hereby adjourned, and thanks once again to all of you for joining this very interesting meeting today.
Sir, I want to say one thing.
Yes.
Whenever we meet the Rotarians, you people are like you are the youth, you are the most active in everything. But one question always comes in my mind, like, who is the real youth? Either it's you or us, because if we compare our things to yours, it's like almost similar, like more than us, to be very honest. So it's very tough to differentiate who's the real youth. So please, this questions always hit my mind, and I'm like, this is something which, we can learn from you people. So you're the most active, like more than me and Harsha, to be very honest. And whatever we have done today, it's all because of we are walking on your footsteps. It's not just our Rotary, to all the Rotarians. Like being a district, like attached with the district, we interact with so many people, but like Rotarians are like total superlative active. So this thing is very, I don't know how.
You're saying it very right, Himani. If I have to give the most youthful award to a member in my club, it would probably be going to Indu Luthra ma'am. If you've met her, she was there a little while ago on this forum. She's 80 plus, and but she would any day take us. Her presentations or the collage that she makes is comparable to what you all do. So, and that is she captures pictures, and she's there in every forum, every meet, and contributing. So an 80 plus lady being most youthful speaks just says just what you feel.
Definitely. Yes.
I'm just checking. I think she's left meeting a little while ago.
Mm-hmm.
I would like to add, there's no need of telling the age. That's a number. So what Mani has said, I think we all are youthful, and let's thanks to Imani in putting some energy into our so-called youth. Thank you, Imani.
I'll always do this timely motivation.
You have been inspiring to all the, what I don't want to call ourselves oldies, but whatever, we are still going strong. Thank you.
Indeed, indeed.
So we'll expect presentations from both the teams that would help us keep it in our records, as well as the next issue of the bulletin of the Midtowner that past Dr. Vora publishes. So
I would like to ask the Rotractors whether they are having access to our bulletin or not, because it is posted on the on Facebook also. Rotary Club Chandigarh Midtown Facebook is there, so you can all join that Rotary Chandigarh Midtown on Facebook.
You will share it with your personal ID always.
And if you send your IDs to me, I can put you in my mailing group. My mailing ID is drvjsvora@gmail.com.